To set single press S Pen button for AR Doodle as record video in Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, open settings, swipe the notification panel, and then tap settings icon. Scroll down settings screen, find advanced features, and then tap advanced features. Select S Pen, and then tap add actions. Scroll down the screen, and then tap AR Doodle. Tap single press menu, and then select record video. Now single press expand button for AR Doodle set as record video. To use, open AR Doodle, tap camera, and then tap more, tap Action, select AR Doodle. Then to record video, you can press expand button. To stop, press again. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.